These started out as fall decoration DIY pieces, and I made these probably about 5 years ago. I decided that I wanted to make them over, so I was painting them and carefully keeping the distressed looking edges. On another day, after the paint dried, I did go back and cover the large block with navy blue material. And here I am showing what I did is basically wrap the block like it is a gift. After wrapping the block, I used hot glue, by the way, to secure it to the block. And after wrapping the block, I did take twine to cover the stem on top and also add like a little bow to the top of the star. For the red block, I did paint the red block, and after the paint was dried, I went back and covered it in this red mesh that does have a little bit of shine to it. This time I just rolled the block a couple of times with the mesh and secured it with a little bit of hot glue. Able to paint the white block white. I used a piece of white material to cover the block, and then I put the white ribbon on top. I put a piece of blue material on top of each block before adding the twine. Another decorative piece that I hardly ever use is my tier tray. However, I did want to set it out and put my red, white, and blue stars on it. I started out with 2 pieces of scrap material. I cut them as straight as possible, and I'm going to use them on my no-sew pillowcase curtain as a no-sew valance. I'm using the hooks that I hang the curtain up with to attach the valance to the pillowcase curtain. Since there is additional material, I am adding a few bends in the material to make it appear as pleats. These are my small plates that I store inside of this cabinet. If I were to ever use them, I would have to wash them. But today I just wanted to use my fluffy duster and get all of the dust out of the cabinet and dust all of the pieces inside and get them rearranged.